Hi everyone, today we have this Gameboy Advance. I will demonstrate how to fix this trigger buttons. I already fixed the right one, but we have the left to fix. Okay, as we see here, it's a momentary push button. Let's see if we have continuity when we press this button. Yes, we have. And on the other side, we don't have continuity when we press this momentary push button. So starting with removing the top of this button, you can use any flash cutters or any cutter of any kind you have. After removing the top of this button, you can remove this rubber piece, and finally this piece here. Now we have to clean the inside of this button using some IPA. Now I will clean the inside of this button and scratch this contacts while cleaning it with IPA to remove any dust, corrosion, or rust. Now I am drying the inside of it and remove any thing inside. And repeat this process again. And finally, I will put it back together, starting with this contact. And ensuring it could be pressed. The rubber piece, and finally this cover. I will align it okay. Now using my soldering iron, I will melt some plastic and by melting this 4 pieces of plastic, the button is ready to test. Okay. Now the final clean before testing with multimeter. With multimeter on continuity mode, we can check this side. Yeah, perfect. It's working again.